Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create thumbnail from video you edited in the CapCut apps. So for example, I already have one video in my project, and then I'm going to select this part I'm going to select this part as a thumbnail. So just click on the clip and then you can freeze. Okay, just select freeze. So appear the new clip and just edit the clip. You can add the text. Okay, you can change the font style, font color, and etc. Alright, sorry. So after done, you are just going to select cover and select this part. Just click save. So the part has been created as a thumbnail. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.